Good day, everyone. We are now on week number 5 of the second quarter of the academic year 2020-2021. And as we move forward, we will have a new topic, which is none other than conditional statements. Let us proceed. For this particular topic, we will have the following objectives. Number 1, determine the relationship between the hypothesis and the conclusion of an if-then statement. Also, we are going to transform a statement into an equivalent if-then statement. Okay, let us start. Let us first focus on our title. So we have conditional statements. In English, we define a statement as an expression of something in speech or writing. So basically, itong ginagawa natin, every time we talk, every time we chat with friends, every time we post something on Facebook, every time we express ourselves, whether in speech or in writing, we are giving a statement. Okay, how about conditional? Conditional is defined as subject to one or more conditions or requirements in order to be true. So from the word condition, make condition. Okay, so it's like saying, if this, then that. Okay? Or pwede nating sabihin, I'll be yours if you'll be mine. Okay, happy Valentine's, everyone. So we have a sad truth over here that sometimes some people love, but with a condition. So this shouldn't be the case, but that's life. So let us continue. Again, conditional statement. A conditional statement has two parts, the hypothesis and the conclusion. So labas nga natin yung ating science notebooks. So I believe we could find the definition of the hypothesis and conclusion in our science notes. Okay, hypothesis is a tentative assumption. So if I remember correctly, hypothesis is defined as an intelligent guess. Diba after we have our problem, ang susunod yung hypothesis. Iisip tayo na ano kaya yung possible outcome or possible result nitong ating experiment. So, we write down our hypothesis. For example, getting 8 hours of sleep can lead to more alert students. So, at this point, hindi pa natin alam whether our hypothesis is true or false. That is why, ano yung next step natin? Diba? We gather our materials, we have our procedure, and then we perform the actual experiment, and then we have further studies and then our analysis, and then we will arrive at our conclusion. So, yung conclusion, yun yung ating summary, yun yung ating tested claim. So, again, tested claim. So, yung hypothesis natin, test natin siya. Now, we have proof whether it is true or false. So, we could say in confidence, with confidence that I therefore conclude that getting 8 hours of sleep can lead to more alert students. Ayan. So, dahil nga na-test na natin yung hypothesis, nakagawa tayo ng ating conclusion. Okay, so balik tayo. Fast forward tayo sa ating math class. Balik tayo. Again, a conditional statement has two parts, hypothesis and the conclusion. Ganun din sa mathematics. So, we usually write it this way, no? If P, then Q. Okay? Minsan makikita nyo siya written this way, P, arrow Q. Pag binasa natin yan, P implies Q. Okay? So, we have if and then daw. Kaya naman yung conditional statements are also called if-then statements. Okay? Let us give an example, no? Para mas malinaw. If I eat too many sweets, then I will have diabetes. Okay? So, we have two keywords, if and then. So, after the word if, we will find our hypothesis. So, in this example, the hypothesis is, I eat too many sweets. Okay, after the keyword then, we will find our conclusion. So, our conclusion in this particular example is, I will have diabetes. Okay, so let's have another example. If 3x equals 15, then x equals 5. Okay, so we have our keyword if. Kaya naman yung kasunod nito, yun yung ating hypothesis, which is 3x is equal to 15. Tapos, yung ating keyword na then, okay, dahil meron na tayong clue, no? After the word then, alam natin na ang kasunod ay yung conclusion. So, our conclusion is x equals 5. Okay. A conditional statement can either be true or false. So, pwede natin siyang i-test. Sabi, x is equals to 5. So, let us substitute 5 dito sa ating x. So, 3 times 5, tama ba? 15 ba ang sagot? Tama. 3 times 5 is 15, so 15 is equal to 15. So, this conditional statement is true. Yan, tinataka natin siya. True. Yes. Okay. So, hindi naman laging if and then yung makikita natin. Sometimes, if lang, no? Hindi na sinulat yung then. Like this one, if 3x is equal to 15, comma, x equals 5. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo, the statement still makes sense even without then. So, okay lang yun. Okay? So, pwede naman natin siya isulat this way also. 3x is equal to 15. Then, we have the arrow. X equals 5. So, pag binasa natin yan, 3x is equal to 15 implies that x equals 5. Yan. Okay, how about this one? If your friend is a girl, then she has long hair. So again, ayan, meron tayong if, kaya alam natin that our hypothesis is your friend is a girl. Then, yan, because of the keyword then, we know that our conclusion is she has long hair. So, analyze natin maigi itong statement na to. So, this statement is false. Okay, bakit? Hindi naman porket girl, may long hair na. Okay, 'di ba? Pwede namang your friend is a girl, she has short hair. Pwede namang your friend is a girl, she has no hair. Your friend is a girl, she has curly hair. 'Di ba? So, if there is a counter example to make the conclusion false, then that conditional statement is false. Okay? Dahil nga nakahanap pa tayo ng iba pang instances wherein tatama yung ating hypothesis, di ba? Pwede siyang girl with short hair, pwede siyang girl with no hair, at pwede siyang girl with curly hair. So, we were able to give counter examples, okay, na proof that the conclusion is false, no? Kasi hindi lamang long hair ang mga girls. Okay? So, how about this one? A triangle is a polygon. So, let's try to change this first into an if-then statement. So, pag pinalit natin siya, yun, triangle kasi yung ating subject. So, yun ang ating gagawing hypothesis. If a shape is a triangle, then it is a polygon. Okay? So, as you can see, I added some words, no? In order to make this statement more comprehensible. 'Di ba? Mas lalo siyang madaling maintindihan. Kasi naman, tingnan niya, if a triangle, then a polygon. 'Di ba? Baroque, no? It doesn't make sense, no? So we could play with our words, okay? Para makompleto yung ating statement. Okay, how about this one? All cats can purr. Okay, so we could write it this way. If an animal is a cat, then it can purr. Okay, now let's analyze our statements. So for the first statement, ano bang meaning ng polygon? Diba? Our polygon is simply, ano siya? Closed figure, diba? A closed figure composed of straight lines. Okay? A triangle is a closed figure with 3 sides, diba? A closed figure composed of 3 straight lines. Okay? Therefore, a triangle is considered a polygon. Okay? So, this statement is true. How about the second one? All cats can purr. If you will do some research, not all cats can purr. Not all cats have the ability to purr. So, this statement is false. Okay? So, how about this one? Okay. I will become rich when I win the lottery. Okay? Para magawa natin tong if-then statement, dapat it's clear kung ano ang ating um, hypothesis at kung ano yung ating conclusion. So, I will become rich. This is our conclusion. So, yun yung mangyayari. Di ba? And our hypothesis is this one, I win the lottery. This is our hypothesis. So, pag sinulat natin siya in an if-then format, if I win the lottery, then I will become rich. So, take note ha, kailangan clear muna kung ano yung hypothesis and conclusion. Kasi pwedeng baliktad yung pagkakasulat sa kanya during the first statement. Okay? So, ayan. Let us now analyze. This statement is true. Okay, baka sabihin nyo, naku ma'am, hindi naman po lahat ng nanalo sa loto ay mayaman. Okay. This statement did not specify kung kailan, di ba? Hindi naman sinabi na ano nangyari dun sa nanalo sa loto after a month or after a year. Okay? Ang sabi lamang, kapag nanalo sa loto, magiging mayaman. Di ba? So, the moment that you won the lottery, magiging mayaman ka talaga. Kasi you will receive 1 million pesos or $1 million. Okay? So, at that point, na nanalo ka, you will become rich. Okay? So, this statement is true. So, mapapatunayan din natin siya kapag nag-draw tayo ng Venn diagram. When we draw a Venn diagram, yung conclusion, yun yung bigger circle. So, yung people that are rich. Ayan. So, yung smaller circle, yun yung ating hypothesis. So, ang hypothesis natin, kapag nanalo ka sa lottery. So, pag nanalo ka sa loto, you will be considered rich. Kaya nga, nasa loob ng bigger circle, yung ating hypothesis na you won the lottery. Okay? So, paano kapag binaligtad natin, in-interchange natin? When we say interchange, yung hypothesis, yun ang gagawin nating conclusion. Yung conclusion, yun ang gagawin nating hypothesis. So, pag binaligtad natin siya, the statement will become, if I am rich, then I won the lottery. In this case, this conditional statement is false. Bakit? We could think of a counterexample kung saan tatama pa rin to. So, pwede natin sabihin, if I am rich, then I am hard worker. Diba? Pwede natin sabihin, if I am rich, then I received an inheritance o pamana. Diba? So, there are other instances na magiging tama yung ating hypothesis. Hindi siya exclusive lamang na kapag ako mayaman, nanalo ko sa loto. Diba? So, this conditional statement, kapag binaligtad natin, is false. Okay? So, thank you everyone for sharing your time with us, for watching this video lesson. If you have questions, ayan, feel free to ask your math teachers. Okay, PM nyo lang kami, or you could text us, send us a text message to ask your questions. And you could watch this video again and again. Okay, if you want to review, you could find this video on the Cartesians YouTube channel. Okay, so we encourage everyone to please subscribe. Again, please stay tuned for our next videos and our next lessons. Thank you again, everyone, and stay safe. Bye-bye.